Well guys, we're out for a little walk here at the cabin, and the kids found a nice little daisy patch, and they're picking some daisies for Mom. Pretty fun. That'll keep them occupied for a bit. Hey Quindo, what do you got there, man?
A bird's nest.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What kind of bird do you think it was? No idea?
Yeah.
Pretty small. It might have been
Robin?
Could have been a robin. Do the shells inside kind of look blue? Robin's eggs are blue.
No, they're not red.
No? No, they're blue.
Oh, I think I see a little blue.
Oh, it could have been a robin's nest.
There's a little blue in there, and there's a white egg and a little blue in there.
Okay, well there you go.
So I think there was two different parents.
Okay. Well, why don't you just gently put it down over there? Right back, and there we go.